Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Harmony One price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening on the Harmony One chart. And before I start the video, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to start the video here on the daily chart by first giving you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out before I jump into the lower time frames to give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out. And here on the daily chart, you can see that Harmony One, from these low prices that he had been trading within, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, making it to an all-time high at around the $0.37 mark in what I'm terming as a higher Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market where we had been seeing no prices in this ABC corrective structure, which has now taken us back to around the $0.00832 mark in what I'm terming as a higher Elliot wave count 2 to the lower side. And after seeing the low for that higher Elliot wave count 2, whatever we expect on the long-term scenarios is a bounce to the upside in the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 3. And here on the daily chart, I have sketched out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that gives me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.61746 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Harmony One to do on the long-term scenarios. And jumping to the 1 hour chart to give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out. Here on the 1 hour chart, you can see that after making our low at around the $0.08 mark, we started a very nice bounce to the upside. And if I give you a measure from this lower low that we made down there to the lower high that you have made, you can see that the market is up by 110.85%, which is a very nice bounce to the upside. And getting to the technical analysis and also give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out over here, after making our lower low at around the $0.08 mark, this whole structure that we are seeing over here, we can term it as a higher Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. So this movement to the upper side, making a high at around the $0.0196 mark, we can term it as a higher Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And whatever we are seeing over here is a corrective structure in the formation of a second wave before we expect another bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, then expect a wave 4, then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5 to the upside. And once you see the formation of that wave 5, then we can name that as a higher Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And getting a little bit into the details of the formation of this second wave, and also sketch out a minimum retracement area to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1. That gives me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and I can mark that target area here on the charts like that, which lies between the $0.01449 mark and the $0.0133 mark. And that is the minimum that I'm expecting this second wave to the lower side to do. And because the second wave is a corrective wave, I'm also expecting to see an ABC corrective structure, which maybe we can see on the lower time frames, maybe on the 30 minutes chart, having the wave C fully maximizing the formation of that second wave to the lower side. And to also give you confirmations that we might continue seeing lower prices, you can see that here on the 1 hour chart we have managed to lose the 20-day MA, meaning the 20-day MA at the moment is acting as resistance. And if I also take a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported on the RSI, we are trading at around the 31 mark, meaning we have a bit of room for us to support any movements to the lower side to get fully into that target area that I have shown you on the 1 hour chart as a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2. And that could also mean that we might see a bit of a short-term bullish movement before we continue pushing even lower in the formation of this second wave to the lower side. And also taking a look at the MACD, on the MACD we have printed a bearish cross, meaning lower prices are coming our way. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated.